Welcome guys to another video. I'm Nair. This video is finally another chug video. I've had this is my last can of Cherry Limeade Sunkist. I've had this in the fridge for a while. I've been kind of contemplating doing it. I'm like, come on, I need to do it, but I'm filming this video where I'm doing this or this, and I haven't got to it, but this time I'm gonna do it. So, yeah, let's get it. But yeah, let's get into the chuggis. Oh, I need a pee. This is gonna make it worse. Anyway. Why it's so cold? Like the fridge, I got a drink out. One of my Propels, it had ice in it. It had ice in it, and it's in the fridge. That's not supposed to happen. I can't see where it's at because it's a aluminum can, obviously. Jeez, bro. I need to pee bad. Oh my. Feels like it's almost done. I didn't even introduce the series. People are still watching. Hopefully, because you're supposed to see the end of the chug. This series is chugging without burping, so I'm chugging this, and the challenge is to not burp. Now, I really need a pee. I'm gonna try to hurry up. Butthole. I'm almost done. I would, but I don't want to make a lot of noise, so I'm gonna throw this away. Like, subscribe, turn notification on, share to at least one friend, comment down below. I felt burp coming. I'm gonna win this one. I'm gonna win this one. You guys see me? Oh, that's... I almost burped. See you guys in the next video. Peace.